What is the use of chamfer command in AutoCAD? This command is used for chamfer, a rectangle and two line corner. We learn with example. I will draw here one rectangle. Now I want to chamfer of this rectangle corner. Now I will activate the command from draw panel and shortcut key. I will activate this command from shortcut key. Select from keyboard CHA, then press OK. Now chamfer command is active. Then again press D. Give the dimension. I give the dimension is 100 mm. Again second line 100 mm. Select the first object, which corner you want to chamfer. Then select the second object. Now you see this rectangle corner is chamfer. This is the use of chamfer command. Again we draw here two lines and make a chamfer of this two line. You see same procedure, and this one is used of chamfer command. Thank you.